welcome to Excel London for the Festival of Work, an annual event organized by the CIPD that focuses on the future of work, professional development and HR practices. This event aims to bring together professionals from various sectors to explore the evolving landscape of work. The festival offers a diverse range of keynote speakers, panel discussions, workshops, and networking opportunities, providing a comprehensive platform for learning and collaboration. While we are here, I will take the opportunity to catch up with some of Quadrant2Design's clients to discover what it takes to succeed at this intellectually driven conference.
You know, the people on stand, the team are half of the battle. The stand is fantastic, but when you've got good people and they're pushing, you know, they're talking to people, bringing them in, they're welcoming and inviting, having a fun activation. So we've got a photo booth on stand. Having that really helps as well, draws people in, makes them interested.
So to succeed in an exhibition like CIPD, I think both location needs to be right and stand design is incredibly important. A place where people want to come into, a place that feels inviting, a place that feels attractive. People don't know about our brand so much because we're newer in the space and they've stopped us constantly to ask what we do since it looks so good.
The stand was a core part of our strategy for this event, and we've had some great feedback from the delegates themselves around how they felt the stand was in terms of its colours, the look, the feel, the tone. They felt, and the way the stand was designed, we've had some really positive feedback already. PIB is one of the largest independent employee benefits consultancies globally. Events like this, where they are hosted by industry bodies that are recognised, such as CIPD, are perfect for businesses like ours that are trying to connect and engage with the right people within the HR community. So I think we have one of the best stands here at the event. I'm really impressed with how it's laid out, how it's been built, the experience that we've had partnering with yourselves, the end-to-end journey so far has certainly been a cut above the rest. Most of the delegates that we've spoken to have commented on the stand, a lot of them saying that the colour scheme, the shapes, the design, they felt that the layout was quite interesting, good, it was quite open and welcoming. They were also quite impressed with the poll and the survey, so I think we'll certainly be looking at doing something quite similar again next time. The survey, the poll, is probably one of my favourite parts. It's so engaging and so interesting to sort of talk around with delegates. It's probably my favourite part. And I think it's been a fantastic time for us here. It's certainly one that we're going to be coming back to again next year.
Perkbox with are an employee benefits provider, so we provide a one-stop shop employee benefits app-based solution, and we've just gone through 2 companies that have come together over the last few months. So VivUp being more focused on the public sector and Perkbox on the private, and yeah, basically this is our stand current interim as we're about to go through a rebrand, but this has been really useful to be able to remake different panels and basically create a different look as the brand's been changing as we've gone through this merger of 2 companies coming together. We've had a really good first day, hit all the targets that we wanted to, lots of compliments on the stand and the position as well has been great. So yeah, we've had a really good time. We want to drive lots of inbound leads, we want lots of new business coming to us, and yeah, the stand and the setup's been really good for that. The setup, the whole process has been super simple. I used to come and build these stands myself, and we had like pop-up versions, and it's a really professional look and feel. The photo print floor gets lots of comments, lots of people stopping to have a look. The overall setup is just so smooth, and we've got loads of space for merchandise and for everything. So it's just what it was like before and what it's like now, night and day difference working with you guys. So
Humaans is an HRS focused on user design and experience. Best way to describe it is that we're trying to revolutionize the HR tech industry, but making something HR people actually want to use. It's really important for us to meet everyone in person. We are a tech company, so oftentimes, since we support distributed teams, we don't meet them. face-to-face, so these exhibitions are so good to network and meet our lovely customers and prospects here. So we've been incredibly successful in these exhibitions. We've met so many people, we've talked to so many new connections that we didn't have the chance to speak to before. So, oh my God, the design of the stand and the build has been incredibly helpful for us in the exhibition. Everyone stops and says how pretty the design is. They want to stop by and sit in the sofas and in the chairs. There's been so many compliments. Quadrant2Design for that has been incredible in helping me achieve the result that I wanted, which is a place for people to feel comfortable and a wholesome design that feels different from the typical very squared tech designs that are in the rest of the exhibition. Yeah. So I came in and I was in awe. I was like, oh my God, this is perfect. My CEO is a designer and he's usually very picky with this, and the moment he saw it the first time, he also was sold. I love that it feels like a nook. I love that the curvature of both sides make you want to come in, chill in the sofa, not look at the overwhelming exhibition that there is around. So it feels like a mini spa retreat inside this huge place.
So we want the stand to be sustainable and reusable as much as possible, and the reconfigurable element of that is really useful as well.
As we become more established, we're looking to do these events annually, multiple of these, and for us it felt a bit wasteful. My CEO told me last time that we did an event, oh how wasteful it is that everything is going to the bin. And so we started looking at modular reusable designs that we could recycle and kind of change a bit to our next exhibitions. So yeah, that was a top priority for us.
And the flexibility with stand spaces as well, because we're not always able to book the same size space at each event. So the fact that we can reconfigure the stand to then match whatever size that we've got. We had a smaller event earlier this year. Last year we had 2 even bigger events, and that's meant that we can go from a 5x4 metre stand to a 3x3 metre stand to this 4x4 metre stand, all with different configurations, and it's just easily worked around what we have existing, and we've been able to change set panels as well.
Prior to participating in the event, we were looking for potential partners to work with to help design and build our stand, and yourselves came by way of a referral to us. So we did explore a number of different options, but we were really impressed with a few things, and one of the most important ones for us was our approach to sustainability. The fact that we can reuse so much of the material on this stand is really important to us. It ensures that we take forward the core principles of our organisation to what we're doing here today. Absolutely, but we're also doing a number of other similar events throughout this month and the rest of the year. So knowing that we can rely on yourselves to help us build this stand back up, whether in its current format or a slightly different one to suit the event, it's a big factor for us.
Yeah, Quadrant2Design, I chose them. I was evaluating 6 contractors, and I chose them because they provided the best support. They were so fast in responding. I loved the designs of other exhibitions that they had made, other stands that they had made, and I gave them a brief, and they were the most creative in using the concept of the brief, but still applying their own knowledge and design concept to it. Other contractors maybe just took it a bit too literally. So yeah, it's been great to put my vision into a real life and to get such a unique design compared to the others.
It's the partnership that we can have with you guys now. We're planning to be far more active than we have before at events like this throughout the rest of the year and next year, knowing that we have a partner that we can rely on to help us build this stand, take it away, be on time, and support us through all of the journeys and the experiences that we need to go through is pivotal for us. We've had experiences in the past where we've had to do a lot of this ourselves, and it doesn't always work. So we're really pleased and quite confident that you guys will be able to deliver.
It was really easy. I had a dedicated project manager, so they just dealt with everything. We provided all of our own graphics because we've got an in-house creative team, but we provided the graphics. All of it was sent over. We kept to a timeline. was all clearly laid out, and yeah, it was really easy.
A huge thank you for the way we've collaborated and how responsive everyone has been, and any minor issues that we've had have been resolved immediately. So yeah, it was lovely to work with you guys.
Just as success in a workplace requires adaptability, exhibition stands must also be adaptable to new roles and positions within the hall. Quadrant2Design has once again demonstrated that modular, reconfigurable stands are the best choice for saving money and promoting sustainable exhibiting. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Goodbye.